Solve the application problem. Anne-Marie Sargent is training for an upcoming wheelchair race. She rides 4 5/6 hours on Monday, 6 2/3 hours on Tuesday, and 3 1/4 hours on Wednesday. How many hours did she spend in all? How many more hours did she train on Tuesday than on Monday? This is a two-part problem, and to find the total amount, which is the first part of the problem that she spent on training, we'll add the hours she spent training on Monday, plus the hours she spent training on Tuesday, plus the hours she spent training on Wednesday, then get a total. And then for the second part, where we want to know how many more hours she spent on Tuesday training than on Monday, we'll subtract 4 5/6 from 6 2/3. Okay, to add these three mixed fractions together, we'll first of all convert them to improper fractions. 6 times 4 is 24, plus 5 is 29, so 29 over 6, plus 3 times 6 is 18, plus 2 is 20, 20 over 3, plus 4 times 3 is 12, plus 1 is 13, 13 over 4. Now we don't have a common denominator, so we can't add these as they are stated here. But you'll notice that between 6, 3, and 4, the common denominator is 12. So we need to change these three fractions into fractions with denominators of 12. We multiply 6 by 2 to get 12, and 29 times 2 is 58. We multiply 3 by 4 to get 12, and 20 times 4 is 80. We multiply 4 times 3 to get 12, 13 times 3 is 39. Now, since we have a common denominator of 12, we simply add across the numerators. 58 plus 80 plus 39 is 177. Now we know that 177 and 12 have a common factor of 3, and we know that one of the tricks of knowing that is we can simply add the digits together. 7 plus 7 is 14, plus 1 is 15. We know that 15 is divisible by 3, as is 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 is divisible by 3. Let's divide the top and the bottom by 3, and we get 59 over 4. And we can convert that to a mixed number. 4 goes into 59 14 times with 3 left over. So 14 3/4 hours is the total number of hours she spent training for the wheelchair race. Now for the second part of the problem, we want to know how much more time she spent training on Tuesday than on Monday. So we take 6 2/3 and subtract 4 5/6. Changing from mixed number form to improper fraction, we have 20 over 3 minus 29 over 6. Now the common denominator between 3 and 6 is 6. So we change 20 over 3 into a fraction with a denominator of 6, and that would be 40 over 6. And then we're going to subtract 29 over 6. Giving us 40 minus 29 is 11, and 11 over 6 can be changed to the mixed number 1 5/6 hours. So she spent 1 5/6 hours more time on Tuesday training for the wheelchair race than she did on Monday.